have to practice. Generally, we don't practice. Why? Because our circumstances don't help us. All people speak here Telugu. How can you practice? Your practice will be very less. Telugu is very comfortable when you speak. You feel comfortable when you speak Telugu. Therefore, you prefer it. One thing I shall tell you. For example, you see this spoken English is practical work. For example, you read 1,000 books on swimming. Without going into the water and try, you cannot learn swimming. In the same way, cycling. Cycling, you read 1,000 books. How to ride a bicycle. Unless you practice, you cannot ride bicycle. Have you understood now? So it is a practical thing. So here we have to practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Practice makes man perfect. So you learn grammar, you learn spoken English there on the board, or read books, or listen. You cannot speak unless you use those words. Okay? So you have to give preference to practice. That's what here said. Today I shall teach you mainly why we teachers concentrate on grammar for you, because examination point of view. You will write examinations. There what will happen? Grammar will come. So then you will feel stuck. How can I? When you have this idea, you can do. Though you will do this much work in grammar, you will get less marks. There in grammar, to attempt questions, less questions will come in grammar. But grammar is foundation that makes you to think in English. That is important. Generally, some students think in Telugu, they translate that into English and speak. You think in Telugu, you translate it in English and speak. It takes time. Murmuring, stuttering, some kind of inconvenience you feel when you translate. Here you no need to translate if you start thinking in English. How can you think in English when you have practice? With the help of grammar, you can speak English fluently. In the beginning it is somewhat peculiar, somewhat difficult. Gradually you will feel comfortable. Easy, effortless English you can. Okay? Fluently you can speak. People will certainly identify that he has power. He has power. Today I want to teach you how to change an active voice sentence into passive voice sentence. Here, English grammar. So in this spelling you see grammar. Some people here put E. Generally that is a common error. What is it called? Common error. People put E. So you don't do it. So in order to remember, grammar, G comes. That's all. So here English grammar. What is grammar? Grammar is a study of rules for the words and structures of a language. Any language, there are some rules. There are some. Where are you going? Going where you know. Going where you know. There is order. In Telugu, you can speak as you like. There is no particular order in Telugu. For example, నువ్వు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నావు? ఎక్కడికి నువ్వు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నావు? You can use this word front, middle, anywhere you like. But in English, where are you going? That's all. You are going there, going. See, all these things don't work. Here you see an active voice sentence into passive voice sentence. How to change? Why? That is a question. Why should we change? Okay. There is an answer, I will tell you. for our comfort. For our comfort. I will tell you, you will say, yes, sir, you are right. He makes dolls. He makes dolls. Have you understood that? Yes. Dolls means toys, some sort of things. He makes dolls. It is understood. Okay? This is an active voice sentence. How can you identify that this is an active voice sentence? Mainly you have to see. The person means subject. Whatever word comes first in sentence, that is called subject. He makes it. This subject is doing that work. Then it is called active voice sentence. It is called active voice sentence. Active voice. The person means the subject is doing this work. Then this is active voice sentence. How you change it into passive voice sentence? Very easy. You put this last word in first. Dolls are made by him. How can you identify this is passive voice? This is subject. It is not doing the work. This work is done by last object. Then it is passive voice. How easy it is. How easy it is. When the first word is doing the work, it is active voice. When the first word is not doing the work, this work is done by the last person, then it is called passive voice. How easy it is. Okay.